Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to download Apex Legends for free on your PC or laptop. So, if you want to play this game for free, then follow these steps accurately and you are able to play it today. Now go to your Google browser and then type in Apex Legends. If you have searched that, then you can go to the EA website, but we will skip that. We will scroll down to the Steam link. Click on it, and now here at the Steam website, you can view some videos, check out some screenshots, and maybe read some information about this game. If you like it, then scroll all the way down to the system requirements, and here you can see the requirements to play this game on your PC or laptop. If you don't meet these requirements with your laptop or PC, then you are not able to play it. So make sure it's able to play on your PC or laptop. And after that, you can simply go up and there you can see free to play. You can play the game for free. If you click this link, then you can install Steam. And after that, you can start installing and playing this game today. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.